Dear student, how are you? Today we are going to our some new questions. All type of questions we are discussing here. So you can solve question 1 of the day. The standard potential of a cell using the reaction to Ni solid plus O2 plus 2H2 gives 2 NiOH twice is 1.12 volt. The heat of the reaction, heat of reaction means delta H minus 504.2 kilojoule per mole at 25 degree Celsius. Calculate the entropy change. Yes, this is our final lecture for electrochemistry. Lecture number 6. Yes, we have to define change in entropy delta S. Understood? First of all, reaction. Yes, reaction is compulsory for this type of questions. 2 Ni solid plus 4H2O gives 2 NiOH twice and releasing of 4 electrons. Why? 1 nickel loses 2 electrons. So 2 nickel loses 4 electrons, and on cathode 4H plus plus O2 4 electron gives 2 H2O. Understood? Why? Here change in electron during reaction is 4. Why we are balancing reaction for getting value of N? With help of N we can define delta G. Here N is the 4. F Faraday constant 96500. E degree cell for is 1.12 volt. So answer for 32320 in joule. Why? Coulomb into volt gives a joule. Yes, this is our delta G. Delta H is already given. Heat of the reaction minus 4.402, but it is in kilojoule. So we have to convert into joule. So we have to multiply by 1000. So joule per mole. Now delta G is equal to delta H minus T into delta S. 43220 minus 504200. Temperature for standard 298. So 43220 plus here on left hand side it will be plus. So now higher value we are subtracting lower value from higher value. So 43220 minus 504200 71880 plus. So delta S degree 71880 divided by 298. 241.20. This is entropy change. Joule per mole is our answer. Understood? Now next question, we are going to solve EMF of the cell. EMF of the cell Ag oblique AgCl, 0.1 molarity KCl, salt bridge, 0.1 molarity AgNO3 oblique Ag is 0.45 volt. 0.1 molarity KCl is 85% dissociated and 0.1 molarity AgNO3 is 82% dissociated. Calculate the solubility of AgCl at 25 degrees Celsius. This is a concentration cell. How can we say electrons are same of AgAg? Only change in concentration, different electrolytes. So E degree cell always for concentration cell will be 0. Now here Ag experiences oxidation on anode. So Ag gives Ag plus having concentration C1 assumed. On cathode reduction occurs Ag plus C2 plus electron gives Ag. Ag cut, electron cut. So this cell is working in the change of concentration. 0.1 molarity AgNO3 on cathode. So 0.1 molarity Ag plus gives yes, and dissociation is of 82%. So 0.1 multiplied by 82 by divide 100. So 0.082 molarity Ag plus is our C1. Clear? Sorry, C2 cathode. C2. Now E cell equal to E degree cell minus 0.0591 upon 151 transfer of electron 1 log upper part concentration of the product C1, lower part C2. Here E cell equal to E degree cell 0.0591 upon 1 log C1 we have to define, and C2 is derived 0.082. For all the cell 0.45 is given. E cell 0.0591. Yes, when we take I C1 upon 0.082, so 0.45 upon 0.0 0.591 minus here became plus 0.082 upward, C1 downward. So sign will be changed. So division of it gives us 7.627 per year. Now log 0.02 minus log C1 here 0.082 minus log C1, but I am giving a shortcut for this both side apply antilog. So log will be cut. So antilog of 7.627 0.082 upon C1. Understood? This is convenient. So antilog of 7.62 into 7. Yes, 0.62 into 7 20 antilog 3990. After one digit there should be point. Before point is 7, so 10 raised to 7 0.082 upon C1. So C1 will be 0.082 3.99 10 raised to 7. So 2.055 10 raised to minus 9 molarity Ag plus and C1. Derived value of C1 is like this, but which is in KCl. 0.1 mole KCl gives K plus Cl minus. Strong electrolyte, so molarity of Cl minus is 0.1 and 85% dissociation of it. So 0.1 into 85 divided by 100 gives 0.085 molarity of this Cl minus. Now KSP, yes, Ag plus into Cl minus. So Ag plus is 1.9 10 raised to minus 9 and Cl minus is 0.085. So 1.615 10 raised to minus 10 is our answer. Now next, estimate, new question. Estimate the standard reduction potential for the copper oblique CUS electrode. For CUS, KSP is 8.5 10 raised to minus 36 and E degree. Cu oblique Cu plus 2 means oxidation potential minus 0.34 volt. Now solution. CUS when gains 2 electron convert into Cu plus sulfide, plus 2 gains 2 electron convert into solid. So here Cu gives Cu2 plus 2 electron and CUS gains addition of both Cu cut, CUS electron cut. So CUS gives Cu2 plus S minus 2. So here suppose E degree reduction potential. This is oxidation. Asked is reduction. So CUS oblique Cu. is supposed to x. Here E degree Cu oblique Cu2 plus is minus 0.34. So E degree cell means reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode. Here is x. Here will be minus 0.34. So when cell in equilibrium, E cell will be 0. So E cell equal to E degree cell minus 0.059 by 2 log Cu plus 2 into S2 minus. Here E cell is 0 at equilibrium. Here x minus 0.34. Yes, sir. Here E degree cell, suppose 0.0296 log Cu plus 2 into S minus 2 is the KSP. Yes, sir. So value of KSP is given. So E degree cell, so 0.0296 log 8.5 10 raised to minus 36. So 0.0296 log 8.5 minus log minus 36. Yes, value of log 8.5. 0.9294 power comes in multiplication. Log 10 1. 36 minus 0.9294 is 35.07 minus multiply with 0.0296 1.038 means minus 1.04. Here E cell is derived. X minus 0.34 minus 1.04. So minus 1.04 plus 0.34. So minus 0.70 volt is reduction potential, which is our answer. Understood? Now next, knowing that new question, KSP for AgCl is 1 into 10 raised to minus 10. Calculate E for a silver oblique silver chloride, means Ag oblique AgCl. Electrode immersed in 1 molarity KCl at 25 degrees Celsius. Here A degree Ag plus oblique Ag is given 0.799 volt. Now first of all, AgCl is sparingly soluble. So KSP of AgCl will be Ag plus into Cl minus. It is merged in 0.1 molarity KCl. KCl is strong electrolyte. So 1 molarity gives 1 molarity K plus 1 molarity Cl. It is very less negligible value. So S plus 1 is equal to 1. So Ag plus is S. This will be 1. Here 1 into 10 raised to minus 10. So solubility Ag plus of is 1 into 10 raised to minus 10. Concentration of Ag plus is derived. Now Ag plus plus electron gives Ag. So E equal to E degree minus 0.059 upon 1 log Ag upon Ag plus here 0.799 0.059 log Ag is 1 derived value 1 into 10 raised to minus 10. So 0.799 minus 0.059 log 1 10 raised to minus 10 means minus 10. Here plus 10. So rest comes in multiplication. Log 10 is 1.799 minus 0.592. So answer is 0.207 volt of this electrode of Ag, means Ag oblique Ag plus. Now next find the solubility of AgCl in 0.1 molarity calcium chloride. E degree Ag plus oblique Ag is plus 0.799 volt and that of AgCl oblique Ag is plus 0.222 volt. Solubility of AgCl in 0.1 molarity calcium chloride we have to derive, and that of AgCl of oblique Ag plus 1 into 0. Reduction potential is given. So solution Ag gives Ag plus plus electron and AgCl gains electron, convert into Ag and Cl minus. So electron cut, Ag cut. So AgCl gives Ag plus and Cl minus. Now E degree for this cell, reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode. So 0.222 reduction potential of cathode minus anode 0.799 cathode minus anode. So it is 0.577. Yes, E degree cell is minus. Clear? Cell is in equilibrium. So E cell 0. KSP આપેલું છે, means cell is in equilibrium. So here E equal to E degree cell minus 0.059 upon 1, n is 1, n electron. Here upward Ag plus NCl minus. So E cell is 0. E degree minus 0.577 derived log Ksp. So first of all we have to derive Ksp. Sorry, 0 minus 0.577 minus 0.0591 upon 1 log Ksp. So minus comes here plus 0.577 upon 0.0591 is equal to log Ksp. Division of eta, yes sir, minus 0.577 divided by 0.0591, 9.763. But antilog is not allowed of minus, so we are converting into bar. After point digit should be minus from 1. 1 minus 0.763, so it is 0.237. 0.237. Now when we apply both side antilogs, so Ksp will be bar 10.237. So antilog of 23 into 7 is 1660. After one digit there should be point, and before point there is 10 bar, so it comes as a 10 raised to minus 10. This is our Ksp of AgCl. Now solubility of AgCl we don't know, so here assumed is SSS and merged with calcium chloride in presence of calcium chloride. So calcium chloride having 0.1, so 0.1, 2 into 0.1, so total 0.2. So now total concentration of chloride will be S plus 0.2. Clear? So Ksp is equal to Ag plus NCl minus, derived Ksp 1.66 10 raised to minus 10. Ag plus we have to derive here 0.2 plus S, here S. So 0.2 plus S, S is very less 0.2, so S is negligible. And S with 1.66 10 raised to minus 10 divided by 0.2, so 8.3 10 raised to minus 2 is the solubility of AgCl in calcium chloride. Understood? Here AgCl gives Ag plus Cl CaCl2 is a strong electrolyte, so 0.2 double 0.2 plus S total chloride. So now total chloride is 0.2 plus S, S is negligible, then comparison of 0.2, so solubility of S will be 8.3 into 10 raised to minus 10 in calcium chloride. Now next question. The EMF of the EMF of a galvanic cell platinum /H2 1 atmosphere oblique HCl 1 molarity oblique Cl2 gas oblique platinum is 1.29 volt. Calculate the partial pressure of chlorine gas. Here E degree of chlorine gas reduction potential is given plus 1.36 volt. We have to derive partial pressure of chlorine. This one here you can see pressure of hydrogen is given, concentration of HCl is given. Hydrogen gas electrode, chlorine gas electrode, both combinedly dissolved dip into solution of HCl. Here first of all cell reaction. This one anode experiences oxidation. 1 of H2 gas gives H plus 1 molarity. Why? H plus having molarity 1. Now on cathode reduction 1 of Cl2 gas plus electron gives Cl minus. Yes, Cl minus is also 1 concentration. So overall reaction 1 of H2 gas plus 1 of Cl2 gas gives H plus and Cl minus, both having 1 molarity. Here oxidation potential of this cell is 0. Why? Which is standard. So reduction all of it also 0. Here potential reduction is given plus 1.36. So E degree cell for this cell, for the given cell is reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode, cathode minus anode. So 1.36. Now E cell equal to E degree cell 0.0592 upon 1 log. Here concentration of H plus Cl minus upon H2, pressure of H2 raised to 1 half and pressure of Cl2 raised to 1 half. E cell is given 1.29. E degree cell we derived 1.36 minus 0.0592 upon 1 log. Concentration of H plus is 1, of the Cl minus also 1 molarity. Upon pressure of hydrogen is 1. So pressure of chlorine raised to 1 half. It's a root. We have to take a root. So here what happens? 1.29 minus 1.36. So log 1 upon pressure of chlorine raised to 1 half. 1.29 minus 1.36. 0.07 minus. Here both side minus cut, but here first of log 1 minus. Division comes as a minus pressure of Cl2. Both side minus cut. So 0.07 divided by 0.592. So log 1 upon pressure of Cl2 raised to 1 half. Also we can take some 1.1824. So log 1 minus log, so now log 1 0, 1 half log pressure of Cl2, 1.1824 multiplied by 2, so log pressure of Cl2. When we multiply by 2, so it gives 2.364 minus, but when we apply antilog both side, but minus value is not allowed in antilog, so bar 364 minus from 1, so here 636 log pressure of Cl2. Now both side antilog, log antilog cut, so gives pressure of chlorine. Now 63 into 6, 424, 4.24 bar 3 is a minus 3, so pressure of chlorine, this is our answer. Check once again, otherwise take the screenshot. Now next question, calculate the potential of silver electrode in a saturated solution of AgBr. Ksp of AgBr is 6 into 10 raised to minus 13 given, containing 0.1 molarity Kbr. E degree Ag plus oblique Ag plus 0.80 volt. Here AgBr gives Ag plus and Br minus, so Ksp is equal to Ag plus into Br minus, but which is merged in 0.1 Kbr. Kbr is strong electrolyte, so K plus and Br minus. 0.1 Kbr gives 0.1 Br minus, so 0.1 plus S, so it will be 0.1 Ag plus we can derive with help of it. In total bromide 0.1, S is negligible, AgBr is very less soluble, sparingly soluble. 6 into 10 raised to minus, so here Ag plus will be 6 into 10 raised to minus 13 upon 0.1, so 6 into 10 raised to minus 12 by 0.1 ऊपर जाए 10 raised to minus 1 ऊपर जाए plus 1, so minus 12. So concentration of Ag plus 6 into 10 raised to minus 12. Now reduction of Ag plus, so E equal to E degree 0.0591 upon log, here Ag upon Ag plus, solid means 1, here So E degree cell of this cell is 0.80. Standard potential is given, non-standard we have to derive. 0.0591 upon 1 log 1 upon 6 into 10 raised to minus 12. So 0.80 minus 0.0591 log 1 minus log 6 into 10 raised to minus 12. Value of log 1 0. Once again in bracket, multiplication comes as a plus log 10 raised to, but here ahead sign is minus. Minus value of log 6. Value of log 6 0.7781, here minus 12. 12 minus 0.7781, $11.22. Here minus plus 0.059 and 11.22. Multiply by 0.059, 662. Subtraction of it 0.8 minus 0.662, 0.138 volt is our non-standard reduction potential of the silver. Understood? Once again check out, otherwise take your screenshot. Now last question of the day. Predict whether or not chlorine would disproportionate in cold alkaline medium. The standard reduction potential of chlorine and ClO minus oblique chlorine are 1.36 volt and 0.40 respectively. Yes, chlorine is experiences disproportionation or not, we have to define. For getting this, in alkaline medium, at anode it experiences oxidation. Alkaline medium means 4OH minus, OH minus Cl2. So 2 ClO minus plus 2 H2O, 2 electron. Here plus 1, 0 into plus 1 2 times, so 2 electron loosed. Now on cathode chlorine reduces. So total, you can see this one oxidation, this one reduction. E degree cell, reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode. 1.36 Cl2 oblique Cl minus is 1.36, here 0.40. So 0.4, 0.96 volt. E cell degree is greater than 0, positive. So cell is feasible, possible. So this proportionate of chlorine is feasible in alkaline medium. It is proven. If cell potential became negative, then it never works. Your value are given is of reduction potential plus 1 into 0. So nothing is problematic. This is actually oxidation, but given value in reduction. So plus minus minus, true. If E cell will be less than 0, then it's not feasible. Understood? Bye. Take care. We will start our new chapter for NEET in next lecture. All the methods are over here. Bye. And do practice from reference book.